Yeah, I brought my truck to a car show today. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's a concept.
I like your truck. What year is that?
83.
Oh, that's cool. I can tell you've done a lot of work to it. That's mine over there, that old blue Chevy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's had a hard life. 500,000 miles, been submerged in water twice.
Holy shit.
I've had about 15,000 pounds of weight behind it before going down the road, blew the rear end out of it, and now I just baby it.
There you go. Yeah, so you've been putting in work, sounds like.
Oh yeah. Well, have you done to your truck?
A little bit of interior modifications, worked on the engine a little bit, nothing too crazy.
Yeah, my truck, I replaced the rear end 3 times, second transmission. The guy before me put the motor in, but that was like at 136,000 miles. Now it's like 500,000.
Yeah, you've been running it.
Yeah, I've been running it hard.
Oh yeah, hey, hell yeah, that's what we get them for, right?
Yeah, exactly. Have you ever been out there in the power lines?
I've been a lot of power lines.
Yeah, I mean, I've taken that truck everywhere. It burns oil, and it's only 2-wheel drive, but I've driven it places. People are like, how in the world did you get back there? I'm like, because I know my vehicle.
You know how to run it.
I took it to the East Coast a few years back, and I drove it up and down the beach in the sugar sand, and they couldn't believe it, like powder.
Wow.
I just told them, second gear, put the pedal to the floor, and go.
Nice. I gotta get in there, close my tab out, buddy.
Oh yeah, you better hurry. Bye. A little rust, no big deal.